Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Polaris Tool Kit is probably one of the most essential investments for any Polaris off-road vehicle owner. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend warrior, having the right tools at your fingertips can make all the difference when it comes to maintenance and repairs. From routine checks to more complex fixes, a comprehensive tool kit ensures you're prepared for whatever the trail throws your way, keeping your Polaris running smoothly and reliably. Number 5. Polaris RZR Belt Changing Tools Kit, Black. Tired of struggling with belt changes on your Polaris RZR? This tool kit makes the process simple. It's designed to help you replace your belt quickly and easily. This kit is widely compatible with various Polaris RZR models. It fits a range of models from the RZR 800 to the XP 1000 Turbo versions. It is a versatile tool for your needs. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, this tool is built to last. The CNC machining ensures its durability and excellent performance, providing a long service life. The handle features a non-slip design for a secure grip. This design makes it easier to use and replace the belt. It provides better control during the replacement process. The package includes one belt replacement tool. If you have any issues with the product, please feel free to contact us. We are here to help and ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This tool kit boasts a wide fitment range, ensuring compatibility with various Polaris RZR models. Its non-slip design provides a comfortable and secure grip, making the belt replacement process easier. If you're a Polaris RZR owner looking for a reliable and user-friendly tool to change your belt, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Very durable. For as cheap as it was, it works great. Small and easy to store. Easy to use. Works perfectly and fits right in the glove box. Ease of use, quality good and very durable. Number 4. DPHXF Clutch Puller Tool Kit. This kit includes 12 different models and sizes of clutch puller tools. It's designed for a variety of vehicles, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. The kit is suitable for Yamaha golf carts, Kawasaki, Arctic Cat, Can-Am, and Polaris motorcycles. This ensures it can meet your diverse needs. The tool kit is a direct replacement for multiple OEM part numbers. It offers a reliable solution for your clutch maintenance needs. Made from hardened material and chrome-plated to prevent rust, this tool kit is built to last. It ensures durability and longevity. Before use, apply some lubricant on the clutch and tie rod tool. This will help to ensure smooth operation. We offer 24-hour customer service to answer any product questions. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty, providing you with peace of mind. What we like. This kit includes 12 different models and sizes of clutch puller tools, offering a comprehensive solution for various vehicles. Built to OEM quality standards with hardened materials and chrome plating, it ensures durability and rust prevention. If you're a mechanic or a powersports enthusiast working on multiple types of vehicles, this kit is a must-have for its versatility and reliability. What people say. Fit and worked perfect for my clutch removal. Very high quality set of tools. They all are machined exceptionally well, threads are perfect. Just overall an amazing set. The kit comes with a chart of each piece and which models it's compatible with. I appreciate that so much. Number 3. Polaris RZR 1000 and Turbo Clutch Service Tools Kit. This kit has everything you need to service your Polaris clutch. It's designed for both primary and secondary clutches, making maintenance easier than ever. This kit is compatible with a wide range of Polaris models. It works with RZR 1000, Turbo, Ranger 900, Ranger 1000, and General 1000. The kit includes a primary clutch fixture plate, spider tool, spider lock nut tool, compression tool, and a 1, 2 to 3, 4 adapter. These tools will help you to service the clutch. This kit is designed to fit a wide range of models and years. It is designed to fit RZR 1000 all years, RZR Turbo from 2016 to 2021, Ranger 900 and 1000 all years, and Polaris General 1000 all years. The fixture plate tool features both straight and curved fins. This design ensures compatibility with even more Polaris models, providing a comprehensive servicing solution. What we like. This complete kit provides everything you need to service both primary and secondary clutches. It's compatible with a wide range of Polaris models, including RZR 1000, Turbo, and Ranger. If you're looking to perform clutch maintenance on your Polaris, this kit simplifies the process, saving you time and effort. What people say. Right quality parts, fast shipping. Absolutely perfect. Everything in this kit worked flawlessly. Have used it 5 times with absolutely no problems. Number 2. DPHXF Clutch Puller Tool Kit. This is a comprehensive kit for removing clutches. It includes 10 different models and sizes, making it suitable for various vehicles like golf carts and motorcycles. It's a versatile tool for your needs. The kit is designed to replace OEM parts. The included tools match the specifications of several OEM part numbers, ensuring a proper fit. You can rely on it for your repairs. This tool kit is designed for a wide range of applications. It works with golf carts, Kawasaki, Arctic Cat, Can-Am, and Polaris motorcycles. It's a must-have for any mechanic. The tools are made with hardened material and chrome-plated to prevent rust. This ensures durability and longevity. You can trust its quality. Before using the tool, apply some lubricant on the clutch and tie rod. This will help with the removal process. Make sure to do this for the best results. We offer 24-hour customer service to answer any questions. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty. You can have peace of mind with this purchase. What we like. This clutch puller tool kit offers OEM replacement for various models, ensuring a perfect fit and function. Constructed from hardened material with chrome plating, it's built to last. If you are looking for a reliable and durable tool kit for your Polaris, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Tools work well. A great deal for plenty of pullers. These can be used on many more models. Number 1. Polaris RZR Belt Changing Tool. Tired of struggling with your RZR's clutch cover? This tool makes removal a breeze. It's designed to help you quickly and easily access your belt. This tool is compatible with a wide range of Polaris RZR models, including the XP Turbo and RS1. It's a must-have for any RZR owner. Crafted from solid aluminum alloy, this tool is built to last. The dismountable design adds flexibility, making it easy to use in various situations. Changing your belt shouldn't be a hassle. This tool speeds up the process, saving you valuable time and effort. It's a smart addition to your toolkit. Featuring an ergonomic handle, this tool provides a comfortable grip. Changing your belt is now easier than ever, with 360-degree rotation. What we like. This clutch cover removal tool is designed for easy belt changes, saving you time and effort. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making the process more manageable. If you're a Polaris RZR owner who values convenience and efficiency, this tool will make your belt changes a breeze. What people say. Purchased this to be able to swap out the belt on my RZR for the first time, was able to easily do it and has no issues with the tools not working. Exactly as described and works great on getting off the belts on the Polaris RZR. Everything I needed was there. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.